Being able to laser scan and have as-built documentation is a huge help. A lot of times utilities are dealing with very, very old documentation, if any documentation at all. A lot of assets on our grid, our water systems, telecom, could be 40, 50, maybe even as many times I've seen 100-year-old pieces of paper that represent what's in the field. So being able to capture that digitally, especially with a very high-fidelity laser scan, with lots of metadata and information, is a huge bonus to how these utilities are able to do not only what they would call a brownfield project, but to really eliminate a lot of manual repetitive work in capturing that data. So being able to pull that as-built data back into the design process, not only in-house for the utility, but downstream to the outside engineering consultants that they work with, and then ultimately downstream to their system of record, which is oftentimes a GIS system like Esri Utility Network. That all goes into that intelligent, smart metadata that lives on forever in the life of that asset. It's a huge improvement to the process that we have now, and it's incorporated by the entire design team, both in-house and external.